Alright, here we go. Continuing on Subterfuge box break number 845. This is the part where we give out the hobby boxes. But first, Sid won an elite pack. If you get anything, you got that's actually a rookie auto of Justin Falk. Sid, those are not numbered. Mark that down. And Dawkins had an elite pack. And Dawkins got a base pack. Sorry, bud. And Steve had a prism. And you got a Kristen Thomas rookie card. Alright, that out of the way. One of the prizes here. First place was Bill. Bill won a prize. Can you believe that, guys? Gets himself a box of Rookie Anthology ending in 236. Unbelievable. 10 left in that National Treasures, huh? Let's see, one fat pack. Maybe a couple partially fat ones. Let's see what we got. I'm calling 3 Drew LeBlanc rookie cards from Score. All in the same pack. Okay. Hey, UC Jokinen score updates. Hey, look at that. Oh, not the autograph version. Valerie Niskushkin rookie card. Rookie gear. Not bad. No, I'd take it. I like Nuke. He's going to be a good one. We got Cameron Schilling hot rookies. And Bobby Ryan prism update. We have got a Sean Horkoff score update, and we got, oh, these are kind of a tough pull. Score signatures of Ryan Clough. Ryan Clough. Bad. He was pretty good for, yeah, he was pretty good in San Jose. I don't know what happened to him. Hey, Chris Brown hot rookies. And Prism hot rookie. Alexei Marchenko. The most non-Russian sounding name ever. Oh, look at that. Chicago card. Prism version of Christopher Stieg. And Merrick Mazanek rookie card from Prism. 9 left in National Treasures. Alex Petrovic hot rookies. And oh, it's a Toronto Maple Leaf select update of Tim Gleason. The heck, I don't know. Zach's box had like 3 Dominion cards in it or something. Hot rookies, Mark Pissick. And, oh, I've given you a hickey. That sucks. Thomas Hickey. Luxury Suite Jersey Auto out of 99. Hot rookies, Victor Bartley. And Jeff Zatkoff. Prism rookie card. That would be cool if National Treasure's out busted tonight, because I haven't, I'd like to pull a lot more of that stuff. Danny Kaiser Hot Rookies. No, there's a single box up though, Larry, with 9 teams left in our multi. Yeah, we just did 2 cases in our multi section. Hey, John Merrill, Rookie Select Dual Jersey Auto. And hey, there it is, Bill. There it is. You got a. Oh, that was a thick pack. A Lyndon Vay autograph. No kidding, Ataz. Boo Spacer for sure. Alright, and Vinny waiting patiently for his box of DP, so here you go, buddy. Hopefully he can pull you a McKinnon or a Jones or a Drouin or maybe a nameplate of somebody. Love the stuff. Starting off with a Ray Bork out of 50. Cardboard on the back. First round pick Emerald. Ray Bork. These are printed out of 50. This is Taz's Kryptonite. That's why it's green. Base silver of Valentin Zykov. This is Vinny, the new guy today. He won this one because new guys never win in cash starts, right? Trevor Linden, first round pick silver. 1988. Marian Gaborik, first round pick silver, 2000. First round pick silver, Patrick Amarlo, 1997. He is from Calgary, but in most products he is in Colorado because he got traded. Ryan Pulak, base silver. And we got a gold. Nice, I like this. Gold out of 10 base for Kitchener boy, Justin Bailey. There you go, man. You got a nice card out of 10. Oh, and wow, hello. I guess you can't complain about a Mario Lemieux jersey card at any time. Draft year 1984, Mario Lemieux. Silver. That's pretty sweet. And we got a future prospects. They're pretty good. Oh, Jake Burton. He has actually been drafted because he was a future prospect back in, but there's a nice seam. He's been drafted since then. And he is either in Anaheim or Vancouver. I always forget. And that's the silver version on that. Autograph. Silver autograph of Anthony Duclair. Ah, thank you, John. You would be the one who knows. And these are nice hard autographs for you. Silver autograph of... Oh, I thought it was somebody else for a minute. Josh Morrissey. And finishing off, silver autograph of Curtis Lazar. There you go. Not too bad of a box, actually. Nice Mario, a nice gold. So this concludes cash starts for this Tuesday, guys. I'll see you all next week when we do her all again. Have a great